absolute value of y is 2 and the absolute value of x over y is x minus 3, then what is the set of all values that x can take? So first of all, the result of an absolute value of any number is always greater than or equal to 0. It means that x minus 3 must be greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, x must be any number that is greater than or equal to 3. Now, the absolute value of x over y can be expressed as well as the absolute value of x over the absolute value of y. And this is equal to x minus 3. According to the question's theme, the absolute value of y is 2. Therefore, I can replace the absolute value of y by 2. Finally, the absolute value of x is 2 times x minus 6. We know that x might be either positive 2 times x minus 6 or negative 2 times x minus 6. Then x equals (6) or x equals negative 2 times x plus 6, 3 times x equals 6, x equals 2. X might be either 6 or 2. However, do not forget that x must be any number greater than or equal to 3. Therefore, only the value of 6 can be taken. X equals to 2 is discarded. Finally, choice C is correct. If the absolute value of 2 times x minus 7 is equal to the absolute value of 4 plus x, what is the set of all values that x can take? So, according to the properties shown before, if the absolute value of A is equal to the absolute value of B, then A might be either positive B or negative B. Therefore, 2 times x minus 7 might be either 4 plus x or 2 times x minus 7 equal to negative 4 plus x. Finally, solve for the values of x. 2 times x equals 11 plus x, x equals 11. And 2 times x minus 7 equals negative 4 minus x. 3 times x equals 3. Finally, x equals 1. Choice D is correct. If the absolute value of x squared minus 3 is 1, what values can x take? So, here you have to consider two possibilities. Either x squared minus 3 equals 1 or x squared minus 3 equals negative 1. Solving both equations will lead you to the set of values x can take. Notice that both of them are quadratic equations. Therefore, there must be 4 values for x. X squared equals 4 and x equals either positive 2 or negative 2. Now, x squared equals 2, therefore x might be either positive square root of 2 or negative square root of 2. Choice B is correct. If the absolute value of 2 times x minus 6 is greater than 2, what is the set of all values that x can take? So first of all, you have to consider two possibilities. Either positive 2 times x minus 6 is greater than 2, or negative 2 times x minus 6 is greater than 2. Now, solving both inequalities will lead you to the set of values x can take. I'll start with the one on the right side. 2 times x is greater than 8. X is greater than 4. Now, negative 2 times x plus 6 is greater than 2. 2 times x is less than 4. I'll divide both sides by 2. X is less than 2. So, x is a number that is greater than 4 or less than 2. Choice E is correct. If x is greater than or equal to 5 and the absolute value of x minus 5 plus the absolute value of 2 times x plus 3 is 16, what is the set of all values that x can take? A good way to solve this question is testing alternatives given. I'm going to start with alternative A. If x is 6, then the absolute value of 6 minus 5 plus the absolute value of 2 times 6 plus 3 is 1 plus, this is 12, 12 plus 3, 15. This is equal to 16. So, we notice that number 6 satisfies inequality. Therefore, we will discard alternative C and D. Then, we have to substitute x for either 12 or 8 in order to know whether there's more than one value that satisfies the equation. If x is 12, then 12, the absolute value of 12 minus 5 plus the absolute value of 2 times 12 plus 3 must be equal to 16. Here we get 7 plus this is 24, 24 plus 3, 27. 7 plus 27 is not equal to 16. Therefore, alternative B is discarded. Now, if x is 8, then the absolute value of 8 minus 5 plus the absolute value of 2 times 8 plus 3 must be equal to 16. Here we get 3, and this is 16 plus 3, 19. 3 plus 19 is not equal to 16. Therefore, alternative E is discarded and choice A is correct.